Good morning, students. Before teaching this interesting topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rakesh Kumar Patel. I pursued my graduation in BTech in Electrical Engineering. In this lecture, we shall discuss about linear equation in two variables, and also we shall learn how to find whether an equation is a linear equation or a non-linear equation. If we write general equation of linear equation in two variables, we can write it as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. X and y are two variables. C is known as constant in this equation, and A is known as coefficient of x. A is known as coefficient of x. B is known as coefficient of y. So the general equation is written as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. X and y are known as variables, c as constant, a is known as coefficient of x, b is known as coefficient of y. One more condition is there, a and b must have real number. A and b are real numbers, and a and b cannot be equal to 0. If any one of a and b becomes 0, the equation will becomes in one variable. If we put a is equal to 0 in this equation, this term will get vanished and the equation will becomes by plus c is equal to 0, and this is a linear equation in one variable, not two variables. Now let's take an example. 4x plus y is equal to 8. If we observe this equation, x and y are two variables. 4 is known as coefficient of x, coefficient of y is plus 1, and the constant, if we compare with this general equation, is minus 8. As we can write 4x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. If we compare this, a is 4, b is plus 1, c is minus 8. And we can also observe that degree of equation variable x is 1, the degree of variable y is 1. That's why this is a linear equation. Now let's take another example. If I write another example as 2xy plus y is equal to 8. If we observe, there are three terms 2xy, y and 8. The degree of variable x is 1. The degree of variable y is 1. In this term together, the degree of variable is 2. That's why it is not a linear equation. Is not a linear equation. Further, if we take another example, 4 by y plus 3x is equal to 5. How can we find the degree in this equation? We have to simplify this equation by multiplying both sides by y. If we multiply both side by y will get cancelled out from this term. So multiplying both sides by y, we get what we shall get? We shall get 4 by y into y plus 3xy plus 5 equal to 5y. If we simplify y and y will get cancelled out, the equation will become 4 plus 3xy is equal to 5y. This equation is similar to the previous one. If we consider this term, the degree of x is 1 and degree of y is 1, and together in this term the degree is equal to 2. That's why it is also not a linear equation. I hope all you have understand how to find a linear equation. In the next video we shall discuss the later part of this topic. Thank you.